Tutorial, creating my first Wonderland component in Genshin Impact's Miliastra Wonderland. Not only can you use simple tools to design your own games, you can also explore a wide variety of creative games created by other players. In this course, we will show you how to use Miliastra Sandbox through a demonstration on how to create a Wonderland. There are 5 coins in this Wonderland. Every coin the player collects earns them 1 point. Once they reach the target score, the challenge is completed, and the word victory will be shown on the screen. If you have not yet reached the required craftsperson level, you may use a progress bar to replace the prompts for the target score and current score. More details on this will be shared at the end of this course. We'll break this down into 4 parts to show you how to build this Wonderland from scratch. First, let's start a new project, then create a coin prefab. Click the Paimon icon in the top left corner. In the project management screen, scroll down, and you'll see My Miliastra Wonderland. Click it to enter. Click Create New Save to start creating a new project. Now, we're in Miliastra Sandbox, and we can start making the coin prefabs. Click the 3rd icon at the top to open the prefab library. In the dynamic unit section, click Other, select the model we need, then drag it into the screen. Open the component panel on the right. Find VFX playing in the list, then click on Advanced Editing. Find VFX playing in the list, then click on Advanced Editing. Click Add VFX. For VFX asset type, select Looping Effects. Add an Adventure Coin effect. Open the component panel on the right. Find VFX playing in the list, then click on Advanced Editing. Click Add VFX.
Hi, Dreams Reaper is on the stream.
For VFX asset type, select Looping Effects. Add an Adventure Coin effect to
How's my day been? It's okay. I just started my day.
it. Click the play button to view the created effect. In Offset, set the Y-axis value to 0.45. Click Add Common Component. Axis value to 0.45. Click Add Common Component at the bottom of the page. Add a collision trigger component to the coin. Click Advanced Editing and add a
I have a video model, thanks. It's actually like one of the first few times I'm using the model. But I've had it for a while. I just haven't been streaming actually.
Trigger. For effective target, select characters.
Why not? I've just been busy and I didn't really have anything to stream. But now I'm like a little bit interested in the Miliastra Wonderland from Genshin. So actually yeah, my category is wrong. Let me stop that. So started to pick back up streaming again. I mean, I'm just gonna try to learn this a little bit to see how it goes.
Change the center y-axis value to 0.5. Change all zoom multiplier values to 1.5. Disable the coin's native collision values to 1.5. Disable the coin's native collision.
Instead of not knowing what to stream, I mean, it's more like I didn't really want to stream just the story because previously I was just streaming like the story of Genshin, but it's not really doing much. So I just decided to do them off stream.
Save the prefab with the name coin.
Where is the save button? This tutorial is actually going really fast.
Save the prefab.
Where's their cursor?
Save the prefab with the name coin.
Where's the confirm new prefab? What?
Save the prefab with.
Where is this confirm button? Is this saved already? Haven't played Genshin in a while. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the new, like this new game mode. So I didn't play like Roblox or anything like that, but I think people are saying that it's pretty much that. Yeah. There's this confirm new prefab button. This tutorial is going way too fast. And is there a way to preview this? Like, what's this before shutdown and after shutdown? Oh.
Save the prefab with the name coin.
Oh, it's the save button is here. Oh my god. Okay. Where did it go? Oh. Okay. How do we test the thing? How do I... This UI is very overwhelming, by the way. Okay, I mean, I guess we at least made this coin. I'm not sure what to do with it, but I think I'll just continue with the tutorial. We'll see where it brings us. When did Hoyo add Blender into Genshin? This is like a custom mode. Yeah, it's called Miliastra Wonderland. Yeah, high blade voltage. It's been a while, indeed. They added this, I think about 3 to 4 months ago now. Yeah. And I've been like messing around a little, but I've never really gotten around to like learning how this is done. But now I'm like interested, and I previously like stopped streaming-ish because like I think story content is just kind of whatever, but this is quite interesting, so I mean, and I was kind of procrastinating learning it, so why not stream? Then I'll force myself to learn it or something. Okay, what is this? We made our coin. Now let's see what this is. Okay.
Next, we need to add a custom variable to keep track of the score. When the coin is collected, the score increases. Click Combat Preset at the very top. Open Player Template in the Player Settings interface.
Wait. Hold. Very fast. Okay. Open player template.
Click Default Template.
Okay.
Go to the component module in the Edit Player page. Here,
Component module.
there's a component with custom variables by default.
Custom variable.
Click Advanced Editing. Add a new variable for the player. Rename the variable to score.
Rename a variable to score.
Change the variable type to integer. Set the initial variable value to 0. Return to the prefab library page.
Hold. Too fast. Okay.
Click on the newly created coin. Open the node module. Add a node graph to the coin.
What? Okay.
Open the previously loaded Miliastra sandbox. Right-click and select.
What? Oh, the sandbox is a whole different UI. Okay, I'm gonna need to add this to the stream. What's going on here, honestly? What am I making? I'm just learning how it works. I do have some like vague ideas of what I want to make, but I have no clue what I want to do with this. I think I'm just gonna mess around for now to see what I can do with it. But I'm not too pressed about making anything at the moment. I think all I want to do is just learn and understand how this works because it is pretty interesting. I do think. But let me just get this. Yeah, there's a lot of things. There's gonna be a lot of things going on the screen, honestly. Gonna be this, and there's gonna be this. And these are all like different windows that's popping out on my screen right now. Okay, what do I do this? New, what?
Open the previously loaded miliastra sandbox. Right-click.
Entity node graph. Uncategorized tab.
Click and select Create
Create node graph.
Rename the node graph to prefab pickup interaction.
Wait. Rename. What? Rename the node graph to prefab pickup interaction. And scoring. So I'm guessing that's like what I want to do. Return to miliastra.
Add the node.
Add the node graph we created. Oh.
Node graph we just created to the coin prefab.
Okay.
Click Modify Node Graph. Open Miliastra Sandbox. Start editing the node graph. Right-click to create a When Entering Collision Trigger node.
What? When...
Activate an event. Right-click to create a When Entering Collision...
When entering... What? No, that's too fast. Wait. This guy is too fast. Way too fast. Right-click to create...
When entering collision trigger node, which will activate an event when the player...
Okay, let me finish watching this thing first.
Then create a set custom variable node to change the value.
What?
Of the custom
How is he
variable.
popping all these out of thin air?
Enter score in the...
Okay. Right-click. Oh, I basically just search for it. Okay.
Then create a set custom variable.
Set custom variable. Okay. I just right click it and it appears actually. It's kind of... Okay. You guys can't see when I right click. That's... Maybe I should do a stream, my entire window instead. My entire screen. Maybe next time I'll set that up for next time.
Node to change the value of the custom variable. Connect the two nodes.
Okay, I need to change score. Wait, what was the variable name again?
Enter the node to change the value of the custom variable. Connect the two nodes. Enter
the score? Okay.
Score in the variable name field.
Yes, it is score. Okay. And connect the two nodes.
Create another get player entity to which the character belongs node.
Get the what? Get the create another what? Get the player. Get the player. Get the player entity to which the character. Get player entity to which the character belongs. This one? Okay, they changed the namings of it.
Connect the entrant entity to character entity.
Connect the entering entity to character entity. Okay.
Then connect affiliated player entity
Affiliated
to target entity. This way, when entering collision trigger, the player's custom variable will change. Right-click to create a get custom variable node, which is used.
Whoa! Hold! I don't even know what I'm doing. Hang on. Target entity. Okay.
Value of the right-click to create a get custom variable.
Get a. Get custom Variable. I'm kind of getting the hang of it.
Variable node, which is used to retrieve the value of the current player's custom variable. Connect affiliated player entity to target entity. Enter score in the variable name field.
Or
Then create an addition node. Connect
create an addition. Connect variable value to addition. Oh.
Connect variable value to addition. Enter the integer 1 in the addition node. Connect result.
Connect result
variable
to
value.
variable value.
Finally, create.
Finally, wait. I'm pretty sure this is like they're just like putting out all the information out there, and then you're supposed to pause it like what I'm doing. Because like what the heck? Okay, so I'm getting this here. This looks absolutely hellish to figure out what's going on for. But okay.
A destroy entity node. Connect set custom variable to destroy entity.
Okay, I'm destroying the coin after that, I guess. Destroy entity. So it's after this, and then target entity would be to this one. Is that it? Is that, yeah.
Then connect trigger entity to target entity. This way, when the player enters the collision trigger, the score will increase by 1 and the entity will be destroyed once that has happened. Save the node graph. Return
This
to miliastra.
Looks like a lot of work to destroy something when... Okay, I will give it a try.
Wonderland. The node graph has now been added successfully.
Return.
Click overwrite and save prefab.
Overwrite and save.
Enter the entity placement screen.
Enter the entity placement screen. Oh my goodness.
Drag the created coin prefab into the scene.
Drag the created coin prefab into the scene.
Set the position coordinates of the coins to 004, 008, 0012.
004. Oh, I'm making multiple. 008, 0012,
0016, and 0020
0020
respectively. In this way, we have created 5 coins that increase the score when collected. Click the custom tab in the upper left corner. Click test.
Custom, what, where? Oh, okay.
Play to check the effect.
Test play. During the nav match, this affects the skill. What? Okay. Sure. Sure. Okay. Test play. Sure. Um.
要做的事还有很多。
Okay. Yay! We did it, chat. We did it. We have coin now that we can collect. And that's it. Okay, get me out. Imagine this is built up for a rickroll. Surely not.
Coins disappear after they're picked up.
Okay. Let's progress. Let's go to the next stage. Your first Blender project. Is this what Blender is? I thought Blender was like 3D modeling and stuff. This is like a sandbox editor. We were at the second tutorial. We have 2 more to go through today. It's the same thing, is it? I've never really used it before, like Blender. Okay, we have another video to go through. This guy is speaking for 48 seconds. Let's see how long we're gonna actually take.
Interface that can display changes in the score. Click the custom page tab in the upper left
Okay, chill.
corner. Open Manage UI Control Groups. Click on UI Control Group Library.
Whoa. UI control. UI control group library.
Add an UI control
Add a UI control template.
template. Select text box.
Text box.
Modify the text content to target score 5, current score.
Other
Insert the variable
target score 5, current. What? Wait, I can't do a shift enter. What? No, wait.
then click on the player and
I can't press enter. Okay, shift enter? Nope. Control enter? Nope. What? How do I do that?
select score 5, current text box. Modify the text content to target score.
They copy pasted
5.
it.
Select text box.
You can't just do that. Okay, I'll copy paste it too. Okay, score 5. Okay, let me do this. Hey, now it works.
Modify the text content to target score 5,
Current
score. Insert the
score.
variable and click on the player.
Wait. Insert variable. Click on the player score.
Select score. Adjust the position and size of the text box.
Adjust the position and size. Okay.
Finally, click Save as Template.
Hmm. Then finally click Save as Template.
Open Interface Layout. Click
Whoa,
Add
wait,
UI
hold.
Control.
I'm not done. Okay. Where were you?
Open Interface Layout.
Open interface layout.
Click Add UI Control.
Add UI control.
Add the created text box to the interface. At this point, an interactive interface that can display changes in the score is ready.
Really? How do I go check it out? Can we? How do I get out? Save changes? No. What?
世界充满未解之谜。
Hey, it's here, but there's nothing loaded in. Did I not save? Wait, let me get out. No, I fucked up. Where's this? Wait, how do I do that again? Let's see.
Next, open Interface Layout. Click Add UI Control. Add the created text box to the interface. At this point, an interactive interface that can display changes in the score is ready.
It's not. Wait, that didn't help me at all. What? Enjoy your game, you gotta go. Okay. Thanks for dropping by. I hope you have a great day ahead. We got the text box in. We got the text in here as well. Hey? Did we not save it just now, maybe? Take a look again. It definitely feels like done.
这次又会遇见什么？
No, it's still not loading, so... Did I miss a step in the middle, maybe?
Next, we need to create an interactive interface that can display changes.
Let's go from
in
the start
score.
again.
Click the Custom Page tab in the upper left corner. Open Manage UI Control Groups. Click on UI Control Group Library. Add an UI Control template. Select Text Box. Modify the text content to target score, 5, current score. Insert the variable, then click on the player and select score. Adjust the position and size of the text box. Finally, click Save as Template. Open Interface Layout. Click Add UI Control. Add the created text box to the interface. At this point, an interactive interface.
Yeah, that's everything, isn't it? I have 2 now. Delete. What?
"世界充满未解之谜。
Still not loading anything. Okay, I'm gonna move on first. We'll come back to this later.
This node graph will end the Wonderland and display victory on the screen when the player reaches the target score. Return to the combat preset screen. Add a node graph and edit player. Open Miliastra sandbox. Right-click and select Create Node Graph. Rename the node graph to Player Finalize Wonderland. Return to Miliastra Wonderland and click Add Node Graph. Assign the node graph we just created to the player. Click
Oh, did we not save it?
Modify Node Graph. Switch back to Miliastra Sandbox to edit this node graph. Right-click to create a When Custom Variable Changes node. Create a double branch node for condition judgment. Connect it to the When Custom Variable. Create a double branch node for condition judgment. Connect it to the When Custom Variable Changes node. Continue creating an equal or not node to determine
I guess it's just called equal now.
whether the current custom variable is score. Connect variable name to input
Wait.
variable changes node. Continue creating an equal or not node to determine whether the current custom variable is score. Connect variable name to input 1. Enter the score in input 2. Connect result to condition. Create another double branch node. Connect it to the previous double branch node. Create a greater than or equal to node to determine whether the current custom variable score is greater than or equal to the set score. Connect
Well, I feel like this is a lot of. Hang on, connect post change value.
post change value to left value. Enter 5 in right value. Then connect result to condition. Next, we need to display victory on the screen after the player reaches the specified score. Create a
Am I missing anything? So this is basically when score changes. Holy heck. When score changes, run a check to check if the change is more than 5. Okay.
set player settlement completion status node.
Yeah. Guess it's this.
Node. Connect it to the double branch node. Connect player entity to event source entity. Select
To event what?
victory for the settlement status. Finally, create a finalized level node to end the Wonderland.
Finalize. What? This is literally plenty time to go back to playing Genshin. This is it's a like a mini game, like a different entire like game entirely actually. Okay, Seto stage I guess. They're changing a lot of the names of it.
Connect this node to the Set Player Settlement Completion Status node. Save this node graph. Now, when the player reaches the target score, the Wonderland will end, and victory will be displayed on the screen. Okay, let's return to Miliastra Wonderland and test the game. Click the Custom tab in the upper left corner. Click Test Play. Here, we can see that once we pick up the coin, our score increases. Once we reach the target
Wait or restart. Oh. Oh, it was saving. Okay.
准备就绪。
I can't display my variable still. I'm gonna need to figure out what's going on there. Oh, we did it!
score, the word victory appears on the screen. And that's it. You've just created a Wonderland. If you have not yet unlocked the custom text display function, you may replace the text box with a progress
Okay,
bar.
that's what it
Steps
is.
needed are as follows.
Hey, tell me that earlier.
Component of edit player.
Wait. In the what? In the custom... Wait.
You can see that once we pick up the coin, our score increases. Once we reach the target score, the word victory appears on the screen. And that's it. You've just created a Wonderland. If you have not yet unlocked the custom text display function, you may replace the text box with a progress bar. The steps needed are as follows. In the custom variable component of edit player, add 3 new variables.
Whoa.
Name the variables, current progress, minimum.
Maximum
value and maximum value. Set all variable types to integer. Set variable values as 0, 0, and 100 respectively. In the UI control group library under Manage UI control groups, find and add a progress bar.
Add a progress bar.
In progress bar settings, set the shape to horizontal. Under progress bar style, select percentage. For the current progress value, select current progress under player themselves. For the minimum value, select minimum value under player themselves. For the maximum value, select maximum value under player themselves. When creating the prefab, pickup interaction and scoring node graph, itself. When creating the prefab, pickup interaction and scoring node graph, enter current progress as the variable name for both the set custom variable node and the get custom variable node. Enter 20 for the addition node. When creating the player Wonderland settlement node graph, enter current progress as the variable name for the is equal node. Enter 100 in the right value field for the greater than or equal to node. Great. You've completed
Whoa. Okay, so
100 graph. Enter current progress as the variable name for the is equal node. Enter 100 in the right value field for the greater than or equal to node. Great. You've completed the progress bar mode. Now, let's have a test play. As you can see, the progress bar increases.
okay. Let's try this time.
听从调遣。
Nice. We did it. Congratulations. To me.
After each gold coin is picked up, when progress reaches 100%, the word victory is shown on screen. Okay, now you have learned the basic operations for creating a simple miliastra wonderland component. If you still have questions about any operation, you can jump to the corresponding chapter and watch it again.
It took me 50 minutes for this. It's not that bad actually. Just 50 minutes. I was thinking I would take like an hour and a half or something. What's next though? Should I go on with the thing or should I? Building my first wonderland. Wait, they said this is take 10 minutes. Okay, I don't think y'all can see this, but dude, they said take 10 minutes to learn how to make a Wonderland component. Took 50 minutes. They're overestimating me. And then they said this is gonna be in 1 hour. This is gonna take me 5 hours. The thing that takes them 10 minutes took me 50 minutes. This is gonna take me 5 hours. Let's take a look though. Wow. That's really a lot. It's like 9 videos, 12 videos. Okay, let's do it step by step then.
Extra Sandbox Basic Tutorial, Building My First Wonderland. In Genshin Impact's Miliastra Wonderland, not only can you use simple tools to design your own games, you can also explore a wide variety of creative games created by other players. In this course, we will walk you through building a complete Wonderland and teach you how to use the main basic features of Miliastra Sandbox. In this stage, the player needs to collect the target number of coins to attain victory in the Wonderland. The player will face 3 obstacles while collecting the gold coins. First, the player needs to take the elevator that moves up and down to reach the platform above. Then, they need to activate the stone slabs using the interactive device. After that, they have to get across before the stone slabs collapse. Next, the player has to light up the 4 torches to unlock a weapon. Picking up the weapon grants combat abilities. Once you defeat
Wow,
enemies, you
this
will
is so
level up to
complicated.
level 40. Keep going. Then use the moving platform to get to the other side. Defeat the enemies here to level up to level 90. Finally, defeat the final boss to get the gate key. Open the gate with the key to collect the remaining coins. Unlock the device, watch the fireworks go off, and claim your victory.
This?
Note, some content can only be implemented after reaching the required craftsperson level. If you have not yet reached the required craftsperson level, you will not be able to see this
I
content during
cannot.
the test play. In this course, we'll teach you to build this wonderland step by step through 3 parts: component setup, process logic configuration, and gameplay integration. Before we start building the wonderland, we need to import the terrain and the provided assets. Click Import Save. Select Scene Terrain and click Open.
Where
The
on
terrain
earth are they getting
that
that?
will then be shown in Save File page. Click Edit.
Is that? Is that like? How do you import this shit? Yeah, where's the scene terrain thing? Wait, let me get all of this first. Oh, I think I found it. It's like this resource center place.
Will then be shown in Save File page.
Let me just watch
Click
that thing
Edit.
first.
Next, let's import the coins, weapons, and related node graphs we created earlier. Click the top left corner and select the Manage Asset Import Export tool. You can import assets in the Import and Transfer section. Click Load External Assets, then open the directory. Copy the assets and node graphs we want to import into this folder. Then click Load External Assets again. Right-click to view the combination package assets. Select all assets, then click Transfer Selected Assets. You can see the imported assets in the Assets Exporting section.
I have not created a skill though.
You can view the imported prefabs in the prefab library. Since the player's custom variable, score value, wasn't imported, we need to set it up again. Go to the Combat Preset screen and click Advanced Editing. Add a new variable for the player. Rename the variable to score value. Set the variable type to integer. Set the initial value to 0. Mount the imported node graph, Player Finalize Wonderland on the player. Now we can start creating the components.
Okay.
And the components we need to create include moving platforms, controller mechanisms, the resetting stone slab.
I feel like all these are like
torches, collectible weapons, 3 enemies with different combat strength levels, a key, a chest, an
so much. I think I'm just gonna mess around for now.
Save the prefab and rename it left-right moving platform. Place the finished prefab in the object placement screen. Click Test Play to check the effect. Next,
Just for a torch.
in the gameplay mechanism category, find Elemental Torch. Add a tab component to it. Click Advanced Editing. You can modify the tab's icon. Change the tab's name to Ignite. Click on Trigger Option area. Change the center Y-axis value to 1. Change all zoom multiplier values to 2. Let's add a node graph to the component so that when the tab is clicked, the Ignite effect plays. Open Miliastra Sandbox. Right-click and select Create Node Graph. Rename the node graph to Ignite Torch. When the tab is selected, play the effect and then close the tab. The target entity for these actions should be the event source entity, the torch itself. Set the location offset Y-axis value to 1.2. Save the node graph and attach it to the torch. Then, save the prefab and name it Torch. Finally, place the prefab on the object placement screen and click Test Play to see the effect. This completes the creation of the VFX prefabs. We set up all the components and process logic, we can integrate everything into Wonderland, the up-down move if necessary, stone slab, positions if necessary, gate node and update the wooden. Open the unsealed treasure chest node graph and update the ruin graders and chests GUIDs in the node graph. Open the pickup key to activate gate node and update the wooden gates GUID in the node graph. On both the left and right sides of the Wonderland exit device, place an empty model each for fireworks ignition.
Okay, let me try to download like a scene and then let's see whether we can work with it. How do I export stuff in? Oh, new thing. I'm supposed to go there, I guess. There. How do I import the scene? How did he do the import? How did he import the scene? Wait, take that. Oh,
Genshin Impact miliastra tools to design reach and the providing and before we start building the Wonderland, we need to import the terrain and the provided assets. Click Import Save. Select Scene Terrain and click.
oh, it's importing the saved already. Yes. So it's from the main page, so okay. No wait, I want to delete this. Oh god, I am loading this again. I delete it. I can delete it. Okay, wait, which is the one that has the working? Oh no, I need to save these. I need to save these as special names. I'm pretty sure the underscore one. Yeah, okay, this is the one with my coins. I'm not gonna touch the one with my coin. Can I rename this? Setting. Can I only rename it from outside? I guess. Oh, I think I can just. Uh. Right. Okay. Already open. Rename. 5 coin. Okay. Then we can delete the other one. Now we can import this. Edit. Yeah, this is just like a done scene. I guess we can build something based on this. An invisible wall. Okay. Mm. So I guess I need to give this like a goal. Fine. Uh, okay, let's just. Let me just upload my 5 coins stage first. I'll try to get some levels to unlock the text editor. I feel like there's like so many things that, like, if I want to do stuff, I definitely want the basic text box functionality. I feel like without custom text, it's quite why? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. This one is on the stage setting. Reset alignment. Okay, I unlocked custom text display already. Okay, I think I will spend some time to think of what I wanna do. Maybe I will spend some time this week and next week. Cook up something interesting if I can. But I think for now I'm gonna go rest. It's been a pretty productive day, not gonna lie. I had fun. It was interesting. Maybe, you know what? To end things off, let me finish my Wonderland dailies. Let's go look for some games to play. Let's play Genshin Wordle. You need to buy Wonderland? No, it's free. It's included in Genshin. So it's like, as long as you get to Genshin's the gacha screen, as long as you can access gacha, you can access this mode. Yeah. So it's quite insane, I feel. There's like quite a lot of things that's going on. Four star, not Geo, not Pole Arm. 4 star, not Geo, not Pole Arm. Cryo Fontaine, 4 star. Cryo Fontaine, 4 star. Charlotte. Nice. Let's just play it again. I need to play twice. Let's start with the thing that we gained, which was Charlotte. 4-star catalyst. 4-star catalyst that's not cryo. Four-star catalyst. 4-star catalyst. Going all the way to 1.0 is... Oh, I actually got it. The heck? Okay. Oh, don't have a gacha. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go take a break. Maybe I'll come back on. I'm not sure if I will come back on actually. I think I will. Because if I don't, then I'll just procrastinate and I won't do anything. And I'm quite interested in this. We'll see. I'll see you guys around. Okay. For now, bye-bye. Have a great day ahead. Try for stream. TY for being here.